Hi everyone, Jessica here. Great to see you again. I have a super cool project to share with you today. I'm going to be staining our concrete floors along with Albert from Lucas Designs Decorative Concrete. We are going to be getting really artistic to create amazing floors in the addition of my former home. I'm just now getting around to editing this content, but I just had to share it with you because it is an amazing way to transform your floors. So follow along. We're going to dive in now. I'm going to show you how we start mixing our stain. Here I am with Albert, who is mixing the stains. He is using a special tinted stain and diluting it. And we have started out by choosing this kind of sandstone color. I can't remember the name, but it's a really pretty kind of terracotta brown, and I think that'll be a good color. And then we have a couple other colors that we're also going to be using. The concrete floor was first prepped by a thorough cleaning and a heavy-duty sander that sanded everything nice and smooth. Albert is applying the brown stain. We already gave it a layer of the dark gray and it's looking really fabulous. He has this container with a handle that sprays out the stain with a very fine mist because you don't want to go too heavy. You can always do multiple layers, but go in steps. Here I am giving this a try. Albert is allowing me a chance to do this and it is so much fun. Whoops, I stood in place too long and it created drip marks in the corner. So Albert is going to try to fix this by blending it together with a little bit more stain, and that should dry really nicely. I am going to continue to apply this. The trick is to move across the surface of the floor at a good pace without standing in place for very long because you do not want it to be too heavy in any one spot. And use, not like I was doing vertical motions, but instead use circular motions. That's how Albert recommends to get the most cohesive look, circular motions. And a professional grade epoxy will seal this floor really beautifully. I'm going to show you the end result coming up next. The floor is finally finished. It has had proper dry time and I am so in love with this look. I'm so glad I tried something new. Look at all this character. It's really going to elevate the design in this space, in this edition of our former home. I am so happy with the results. I'm very grateful to our subcontractor who worked with me in creating this look. So guys, what did you think of this flooring transformation? Did you love it? Please let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more home decor tutorials and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you soon.